Creation. For us, this means creating new technologies. It also means creating better lifestyles and a brighter future. Eyes on innovation. We are always ready to face new challenges. We are the Screen Group. Our history stretches back to Ishida Kyokuzan Printing Works, founded in Kyoto. This is where we succeeded in creating Japan's first photographic glass screens in 1934. This technology also led to the start of the Screen Group's history in 1943. We successfully expanded our business in the development and production of graphic arts equipment and then entered new fields, including PCBs, semiconductors, and displays. We have always maintained a global focus in our business, based on our corporate philosophies of sharing the future, human resource development, and the pursuit of technology, plus the unrivaled expertise of our core technologies: surface processing, direct imaging, and image processing. We continue to pursue the creation of new, cutting-edge technologies and business fields. Using the strength of every Screen Group member worldwide, our goal is to create truly unique and innovative solutions. Eyes on innovation. This will always be our mission.